Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix copy and paste not working on the Microsoft Word. Let's get started. First, go to a blank document, click on File over here, and then click Options. There's going to be another interface. Choose Customize Ribbon. Click and go down, Keyboard Shortcuts, click Customize. Next, I want you to follow me through this. Click Home tab on the left portion, and on the right portion, scroll down and find Edit Copy. Go below, press New Shortcut key. So that would be Control C. Click Assign, and that's pretty much it. You can do the same for the paste option. Just find Edit Paste, and then click Assign, and you're done. I hope you find this video very helpful.